Hi guys, this is Daniel. You are watching Discover with Benjamin YouTube channel. In this video, let us see how to create a simple HTML file and how to run that particular file. So let us see line by line, step by step process. Less than symbol exclamatory mark doctype space HTML. So doctype is nothing but document type declaration. This particular line tells the browser that this is an HTML5 document. Without this particular line, old browsers might not display the web page information correctly and effectively. Next line, less than symbol HTML, lang equal to within double quotes en. So HTML is also known as root element of web page. So lang is nothing but a language which is an attribute of HTML. You are defining the language as en, means English, for this particular web page. Next statement, less than symbol, head, greater than symbol. If you came across these symbols in HTML, those are known as tags. So this is nothing but head tag. It will just contains meta information. So meta means data about a web page. Remember, this is not going to be printed on the web page. It will just include settings like character encoding, that is UTF-8, viewport settings, CSS, JavaScript links, and much more. So let us see line by line. Less than symbol meta char set equal to UTF-8. So this particular line defines a character encoding with UTF-8, means if your web browser wants to support all kind of special characters including English letters, numbers, you have to use this particular notation UTF-8. Next line, less than symbol meta name equal to viewport, content equal to within double quotes, width equal to device width, comma, initial scale equal to 1.0. So by writing this particular statement, you are defining the web page more responsive on different sizes of mobile, tablet and desktop. Remember, see here, width equal to device dash width. I am going to match the screen width of the device to my output's width. Next, initial scale equal to 1.0, means I am going to set the initial zoom level as 1.0, which is normal size. Next, coming to title, less than symbol, greater than symbol, within middle title. So this is nothing but title tag. So title is used to make, or it is used to set a title for a particular web page. So see here, my first web page, this will be my title, appears on the browsers tab. So if you want to set any title or a name for a particular web page, you have to use title tag. So I just completed my title here. So I'm going to close title tag here. So listen here, if you came across this particular symbol before any particular tag, that is nothing but closing tag representation. So I'm just closing title tag here. Again I'm closing head tag here. Next, I'm just opening body tag. So what is the use of body tag? It contains everything that is visible on a web page. So whatever the content you want to display on the web browser, that has to be defined inside only body tag. So I want to display this particular content, that is hello world, welcome to my first web page. So I'm going to write these particular statements inside body tag. So whatever you mention inside body tag, that will be displayed as output in the web browser. So I'm just closing the body tag here. Similarly, I'm going to close HTML tag, because at beginning I just opened HTML tag. Let us see how to execute this particular file. Before executing the file, let me save the file. Save as. I'm going to save in this particular folder HTML programming. Let me give some file name for it. Program 1. Save as type, I'm going to choose HTML, and finally I'm going to save the file. In order to see the output, just navigate to your folder where the file is stored. So this is my folder. So I just open my file. So this is my file name, program 1. In order to see the output, just double click on that file. Oh great, hello world, welcome to my first website. I hope you people got understood. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.